Hi everybody, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this thankful palette plaque. I love the fun patterns in this project and I hope you love it as much as I do. Let's get started. The first thing you are going to do is paint every other letter on the word thankful. To start, you are going to paint the letter T in a mustard color, and then you are going to paint the letter A in a terracotta orange color. Next, you are going to paint the letter K in a very light pink color. And then lastly, you are going to paint the letter U in a light green color. Grab your yellow plaid paper and place it under the letter H. You will then take a pen and trace around that letter H and then cut it out with the scissors. Cover the top of the letter H with Mod Podge, and then you're going to place the paper on top of that. Make sure you let it dry completely. Next, you are going to work to get rid of the excess paper. You want the paper to line up with the edge of the wood, and to do this you are going to use a sanding block, and there may be times too where you're going to need to use a scissors to trim some of that extra paper that is hard to get off with the sanding block. And then especially in the middle part of the H, you're also going to want to use a scissors. If you need, you can use a little Mod Podge on the edges that just need a little bit of smoothing or that are having trouble staying down. Next, you are going to be following the same steps we did before, but this time we're going to be working on the letter N and using this orange flower paper. And then we're going to work on our last two letters. The letter F is going to be covered in a pink floral paper, and the letter L is going to be covered in a green polka dot paper. Once they are dried, you then can remove the excess paper with a sanding block and a scissors. Next, you will grab your paint again and you will fill in any of the spots where the paper didn't cover. Add glossy accents to the back of the thankful sign and then adhere it to the palette plaque. And now your sign is ready to be hung up and displayed. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the products needed to make this project at craftsdirect.com/projects.